we're going to show you a project on using the Arduino and the Arduino IDE.
So we are using the foreclose today. Our bulb, our LEDs are supposed to light, which my colleague will show you, but I'm going to take you through the code. We are using the foreclose so that when our serial monitor reaches 4, our green LED turns on and the rest are off. When it reaches 6, our blue LED turns on and the rest are off. And when it reaches 8, our red LED turns on and the rest are off.
Yes, so with us we have our hardware, with us we have our Arduino Uno, we have our resistors here, our jumper wires and our LEDs. As you can see, it will go 4, 6, 8, as Omar has just described. You should go this.
As you can see, when it reaches 4, the green LED turns on. As it reaches 6, the blue LED turns on, and as it reaches 8, the red LED turns on.
Yes. To reference back to the code, the LEDs are kept to different digital pins. As you can see, one is connected to pin 7, one is connected to pin 8, and one is connected to pin 9, as he has mentioned here with the integers. The integers are basically blocks that replace the numbers. So since this is pin 7, you don't have to keep writing pin 7, pin 7, you just write it pin 11.
In the void setup, the void setup is a command that makes the Arduino commands it once. It only happens once. But the void loop, it happens over and over again. As you can see, the void loop has this code which happens over and over again. But the void setup only happens once. That's why you can see that this is where we have initialized the serial monitor, and this is where we have said which components do what.
Yes. So you can see we're going to use j as one of our main integers. J equals to 2, j is less than or equals to 12, and j equals to j plus 2. What that means is j is going to be even numbers, and it's going to run from 2 to 12. And we've kept a delay. We've kept a delay so that it doesn't go like very quickly. So the delay is going to be 500 milliseconds, which is just half a second. So it's just the numbers are going to show to the monitor every half a second. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
We have used the if else clause to show and to make sure that the timing of our LEDs light properly.
Yes. Here low means off and high means on. So once it, as you can see, j equals to 4, that means the green light will be on. So if the serial monitor shows 4, if the serial monitor shows 4, then the green light will turn on, as you can see.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What is the advantage of this?
The advantage. Well, it can help you in terms of counting. Like, you don't have to explain it, but
This can help. This is a mere description, just a display. But say if there are more intense components, you can use the for clause and the if else clause to help blind people. Like, say if there is some mathematical problem or something, then we could have a buzzer, or we could use the for and if clause to sound the buzzer when the answer is correct and answer is wrong.
Wow, well done. Keep it up. Well done.